This is our second stay while we were in Seattle. This is about a 10-minute walk from the Pike Place Market in downtown Seattle. We really enjoyed our stay here, so I hope you enjoy a room tour of Hotel Monaco. Currently, I'm standing at the front of our second hotel. This is the Kipton Hotel Monaco, and I'm standing at the door. This is the bathroom. It has just your standard tub and shower, but it's very pretty. And the lights and mirror. Alright, and then we have a little bench here with a mirror, a closet which has robes and laundry service bag, a safe and a bucket for ice, and an umbrella, and a yoga mat, I think is the other thing that's in there. There's Mike's bag. There's Mike. And we have a desk. A king-size bed. I love the wallpaper. And that's a little dresser, bedside table with a clock, TV. Then go ahead and open that up, Mike. Right there we have a mini fridge and some wine glasses. And then on this side we have the flowers my cousin gave us from her wedding, and you can buy wine and water and snacks, and a red bedside table. And then this is outside, so we are downtown Seattle. I think our cousin is going, he gets off down here where this building is at the bus stop and to go to work. So he's going to meet us for breakfast one day. I think on Monday, the day we leave. So this is our view. So nice big window. And then I'll pan around so you guys can see coming in the door there what it looks like. So there you go. This is the Hotel Monaco. This is our, is it our second day? Second full day in Washington. So we'll spend 2 days here in Seattle. We'll spend today, which is Saturday, what is today, the 26th, and we'll spend all day tomorrow, the 27th, and then we'll go get on the plane on the 28th. This is the hallway where our room is. This hotel is so pretty. we got. I don't know if you guys can see. This is quite the bougie little elevator. This is the lobby. Yeah. Isn't that such a gorgeous hotel room? Oh my goodness, the leaves were so beautiful here. The trees, I loved just seeing all of the fall foliage as we were walking to Pike Place Market. This is something that you don't see in Nebraska anymore, and I really do miss having all of the seasons like we did in Tennessee. So enjoy a little walk to Pike Place Market. Okay, as you can see, we made it to the Pike Place Market. That was a fun little walk. We, of course, had to stop and make our picture in front of the Public Market Center sourdough and chocolate, strawberries, and champagne. But that's This tastes good. I feel like you can't come to Pike Place Market and not watch the guys throw fish. It's a very iconic thing to do.
I hate myself. Kinda. Alright. Ready? You want to stand like right here?
Yeah, you already know.
Let me know when you're ready. One rainbow! One rainbow! Hey! Every day! Jack, Jack! Jack, Jack! Hey! One more! One more! Hey! Jack, Jack! Hey! Yay!
Good job. Okay, we have to talk about all of this pastry and cookies and yummy goodness in this little bakery stand. Those almond divinity cookies were so yummy. I wish I had one right about now. They had cookies and pies and donuts and eclairs. Everything you could possibly think of, I'm pretty sure they made it there. But my favorite is around the corner, and that is the cannoli. I usually don't get cannoli unless I am in New York visiting Mike's family. But the German chocolate ones right there, wow. I would love to have one. Just a little piece anyways. Okay, as I finish up this stroll through Pike Place Market, I did just want to take a second to welcome you to my channel. This is Doing Life, and I am Miranda. I do all kinds of unboxings and lifestyle videos, including travel like this one. I throw in some decorating and cooking in there as well. So if that piques your interest, I hope you'll consider hitting that subscribe button and tap the notification bell so that you get notified of all of my future videos. Those hats were super cute. The Despicable Me one was really sweet. Alright, next week's video is going to include more sightseeing. We're going to travel to the Chihuly Glass Museum. We're going to see the Space Needle, of course. And we're also going to take a cruise on the Argosy, which had some of the most breathtaking views I have ever seen. So if that sounds good to you, I hope that you will stick around for next week's video. I have probably 2 or 3 more vlogs for the Seattle trip. Alright, thank you for watching this video once again and all your support. If you haven't been to Pike Place Market and you're going to Seattle, this really is not a place to miss. Alright, I hope everybody has a lovely day, and I'll see you next Monday in another travel vlog.